guys, and welcome back to another Friday video. So if you watched my last video of my Dollar Tree hauls or Dollar Tree finds, in that video I bought some press-on nails that I said I was going to try to help strengthen my nails. I'll link that video. So this video is actually going to be me applying those nails. So I'm just going to insert those clips of how I get all the prep work and done for my nails, and I'm gonna come back and give you the review on those nails. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start off with the supplies. As I said earlier, I got the nails from the Dollar Tree as well as the nail glue, and I'm going to link that video from the haul that I did last week. But one other thing that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I got it a while ago, and this was this nail kit. I mean, this retails usually around between $5 and $10 depending on where you get it, but I believe last year they had them for $1, and I kind of just was looking through my closet and found it and thought this would have been a perfect time to use it. It comes with 3 different filers, the first one being just a file, the second one being a buffer, and I believe the third one is like it gives it a shine. I did not use the third one when I did this. I just used the first one, and then I went behind it with a regular filer to file it down. Now you see me getting ready to apply the press-on nail, and it's real simple guys. The instructions are on the box. You're simply gonna have to apply a little dot of glue on the nail as well as your own original nail so that you have enough glue on the nail. Now before I actually glued down the nail, I went through the box to make sure that I have the right size nail to match my nails before actually gluing it down. Because I only bought 1 box, it would probably be easier if you bought 2 just to make sure you have an equal amount, but I only bought 1 of this pair, so that's why I went through and did like a test trial with the nails before I actually glued them down. So as I said earlier, you're going to want to put a glue dot on your own nail and then a glue dot on the press-on nail and press it together. You want to hold this for like 10 seconds. The box does say 5 seconds, but you know, I give it a little extra just to make sure it's really secured. So I finished up my right hand off camera, and look at it guys, it actually looks really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my left hand and finish the rest of that. And that is it you guys. For $2 they got me an at-home French manicure, and then honestly it took me like 15 to 20 minutes if you include the prep work with the filing, and I gotta say it looks pretty awesome. Okay guys, so excuse the roughness, didn't put any makeup on anything today, but you know what, quarantine. Listen, that's going to be the excuse for everything. Quarantine. Okay, so back to those press-on nails. Now, as you saw, the ones that I decided to do were French tip ones. So it has now been 4 days since I've applied the nails. Now, for the left hand, as you can see, everything is still intact. They're all there. None of them broke. None of them chipped. They're still good. Now, the right hand, as you can see, I have 2 chipped ones. This one chipped in the corner, and then I ended up cutting it. And honestly, this one was all on me because I tried to grab something and chip the nail. This one here, because I don't want to give you guys a middle finger, but this one actually got chipped. Again, me trying to catch something that was dropping from my dryer, and it ended up chipping. But as far as everything else, it stayed intact. Now, my review on these press-on nails. If you are someone that's really hands-on, like you're doing a lot of hands-on and physical work, these may not be the nails for you. Now, the problem or the issue that I was having was that they were chipping, not that they were popping off. I heard a lot of people saying that they were popping off or whatnot. That may be that you either didn't apply the glue right or wasn't enough glue. None of my nails pop off. You can see, even though they chipped or cracked, they're still on. And when I tried to pop it off, to take the rest off, no, I got a little pain there, so I have to soak this off. None of them pop. It's more so that the nail is thin and it doesn't have any acrylic overlay on top of it. It's really fragile, so it's easier to break. So that was my issue with these. They were chipping. So I am going to reapply for the second time. I'm going to soak all these off, and I'm going to reapply a second set. This time I'm going to put the nail strengthener that I got from the Dollar Tree that was in that same haul, because it is a nail strengthener and it avoids chipping. So I'm going to overlay that on the top and see how long that one takes me. But other than that, I got a good 4 days out of these, and that's good enough for me, because even the two that chipped off, and one of them I can still feel my nail, and my nail isn't as fragile as it was prior to putting on the nail, which means it's doing the job that I wanted to do, which is strengthening my nails and growing my nails long enough so that I no longer need these and I could just have my own nails that grow, because right now I have. Okay guys, so that is it, my product review on the Dollar Tree Sassy and Chic press-on nails. If you found this review helpful, let me know in the comment section. Give it a like, let me know if you like these type of videos, and hey, maybe I'll go try something else. You never know. Like I said, we got time, right? So I'll catch you guys next Friday for another video. Bye.